how to turn your images into PDF files straight from your iPhone. So the first thing we need to do is go and load up the Photos application. And what you can do is either convert one image into a PDF just by clicking on it, or you can select multiple images by clicking select in the top navigation, and then select multiple images that you want to convert into a PDF. So I'm going to convert all of these images here. We can then click on the share button in the bottom left-hand side. You're then going to scroll down until you see this option to print. Click on this. Now, don't worry, we're not actually going to be printing this, but from this window, if you click on the share icon in the top window, you can then scroll down again and select Save to Files. Now click on Browse in the top left-hand side and just go and select a location on your phone that you want to save these documents to. So I'm going to select on my iPhone and then press Save. Now, once this has been saved, you can close down this application, go and locate the Files application on your phone. You can then click on Browse in the top left-hand side, click on my iPhone, and here you'll be able to find the photos that we just downloaded as a PDF document. So you can see this top one here. Here are all of my different images in this one single PDF. Now, of course, you can click on the share button in the bottom left-hand side, and then you can go and share this PDF document directly to your contacts. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.